Well, hey, I'm Chicken Johnny, and you're on the tractor with Chicken Johnny. We're going to take a ride down to the field. I'm going to show you the potatoes and the sweet potatoes, the brassicas, all the peppers, and the squashes and the melons and the beets. We're going to do it all to music. But before we do that, a shout out to the guys over at Shed Wars. I don't know how to join that, so if somebody wants to give me the details, I'll join up with you guys and we'll compete for fun and prizes. I want to thank all of my subscribers, all the new people that have come on. Jamie and Bull, a special shout out to you guys. And we're looking forward to watching your videos and you watching mine. So let's take a ride down to the field. That's our garden tour for the day. I hope you enjoyed it. Mitzer Shem, I'll see you again. Eat your vegetables. I'm Chicken Johnny. We'll see you down the road.